This is for one test. Hi there, everyone. Last time we worked on a little bit of punctuation. We are going to continue that with part 2. Last time was the end punctuation, periods, exclamation marks, and question marks. Today we are working with commas, semicolons, and colons. Now, these are a little bit different than the punctuation marks we used last time. This type of punctuation is not the end of the sentence, but they're within the sentence. Now, we are going to start with commas, because commas are the thing that I would say you guys like using the most. They'll throw commas anywhere and wherever you want. However, there are rules to using commas. So commas are used to separate out ideas in a sentence. When you say it out loud, commas, you actually take a pause when you see one. You don't just breeze through it. So when you see a comma, you go blah, 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 blah. It also, you can use for the end of the salutation in a letter, but none of you know how to write a letter, so we're probably going to skip that part. It's like a text that you get in the mail, and it takes weeks to get new ones. No, I'm not joking. Yes, I'll stop talking. So to use commas, we have to use them in the correct way. So I asked a couple students a couple things that they like to do and like to see, and I had them use different punctuation marks when they did it. Let's read the first one, shall we? This is James from first period. He says he likes to do homework. He didn't say that. Comma. Breakdance. Also didn't say that. Comma. And catch and train raccoons to ride cats. I'm not saying if that one's true or not. All those are fake. You see how that worked out? The comma separated the sentence out so you could follow it more naturally. Semicolons essentially do the same thing, but they're a little more powerful. Semicolons can almost be used as periods, but not quite. Because semicolons take two independent phrases that could be sentences by themselves and joins them together. It makes it a stronger bond than what a period would mean for both of them. So, Vanessa and Linda, also in first period, said they like hanging out with friends. They did say that. Semicolon. Friends like the hamster in the basement are amazing. I'll let you decide whether that's true or false. Okay, the semicolon shows a greater relationship with it. It makes more complex sentences and actually makes your writing a little bit better. And now, last but not least, onto colons. And I'm not talking about the one in your body. Colons are used to introduce something. So a lot of times we use colons for like grocery lists. I want to eat the following: Flaming Hot Cheetos, Mike and Ike's, and turnips. The colon would have been before the list. I would like to do the following, colon, eat these things. For you guys, it would probably just be Flaming Hot Cheetos and Takis. Is that what we eat? Is that what they eat? There's no one there. So when you use these things, remember, they're within a sentence and you can't put them randomly. It has to make a logical sense. You're not going to say the sentence, hey, I'm a rotten tomato, and go, hey, I'm a, comma, rotten tomato. It doesn't make sense. I mean, the sentence itself doesn't make sense, but that makes even less sense. Make sense? Anyone confused yet? Make sure when you use these, if you have any questions, go ahead and ask me in class. Make sure you use your periods, exclamation marks, question marks with them. So far, we've had 6 punctuation things. We have 4 more to do, and we will do those shortly. I am not saying every goodbye I know this time. Sayonara, guys. See you next time. Yeah, look it. That's you. That's you right there. You want to smile for the camera? Look. Yeah. Look at that camera. Can you say daddy? Mama? Is that you? Are you a handsome guy? Mama. Oh, okay. I'm his favorite.